Last Sunday afternoon, I was at home, enjoying a quiet day. I had just made myself a cup of tea and settled down on the sofa with my favorite podcast playing softly in the background. Out of nowhere, I heard a knock at the door. Wasn't expecting anyone, so at first I hesitated. But curiosity got the better of me, so I went to see who it was. When I opened the door, I was surprised to see my old friend Sam. We hadn't seen each other in almost a year. He was passing through town and thought he'd drop by unannounced. At first I was a bit embarrassed. The living room was a mess, and I hadn't even changed out of my loungewear. But Sam didn't seem to mind at all. He just laughed and said he was glad to catch me at home. I made us both some fresh tea, and we sat in the kitchen, catching up about work, family, and life in general. We swapped stories, laughed about old memories, and talked about plans for the future. An hour turned into 3. Eventually, Sam had to leave to catch his train, but before he left, we promised not to let so much time pass before meeting again. After he left, I looked around my slightly messy kitchen, still smiling. Sometimes the best moments are the ones you do not plan for. The little surprises that remind you to slow down and appreciate good company. Let's look at today's vocabulary.